outside? Wanna go outside? Come on, let's go outside. Come on, Stevie, wanna go outside? Come on, let's go outside. Come on. Come on. Oh, Stevie. Stevie, wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? Stevie, do you wanna go outside? Do you wanna go outside? Come on. We gotta go outside. Stevie. It's your destiny. Gotta go outside. Let's go outside. Come on. Come on. Ah, Stevie. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I just let you in. All right. And there he goes, back outside after about 5 minutes. That wasn't even 5 minutes, that was 30 seconds. Where is he? He's gonna probably come in like 5 minutes and go, gotta go outside again, gotta go outside again. Let's go out and take a look. Stevie! Stevie, got a new baby duck? Got a new ducky? Stevie, you just trampled it. Alright, Stevie. Oh, what is it? You are. Are you like... Stevie, what are you doing? What are you doing? What? Stevie, go get your baby duck. Where's baby duck? Stevie, come here. Come here, Bubby. Stevie. Looks like he got his exercise for the day. Alright, Stevie, you tired? Tired, puppy? Stevie, what do you want to do? Get your baby duck. Go get baby duck. Come on. Alright, okay. I know, Stevie. Alright, say goodbye. Say goodbye to the fathers and the fathettes. Alright, bye-bye.